Somebody. Wait. Okay. 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 It works. It works. Silence. Okay, great. Apparently, don't try to hash weird things out very shortly before stream. Otherwise, you get apparently almost 50 minutes late. Lateness. What happened there? Who knows? What was with that? No. Anyway, there's some stuff didn't work, but hey, look at that. The chat thing is finally. It's finally functions. What is it? Transparent. Jesus Christ, that took a long time to get that word. So it's gonna get my eyeball. Eyeball. Yeah, the browser miss. JavaScript. Just right on. Don't ask that. Okay, fair enough. Fair point. How big is that? Can I test myself? Okay, that's a... Where was it? Was it a bit there? No, well. Could be a tad bit smaller. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's see how it looks. How that guy looks. The guy's version looks. It's... Wait, did he already do it? I guess he did it. I didn't notice anything. Well, fair enough, that's better. Okay, good. Finally, actual work. What the hell happened there? Anyways. That's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna keep a track on my bits. Look at that, they're working today. Excellent. Come on. What if I squeeze? Squeeze. Is that them? Perfect. Yeah, anyways, we'll be doing something magical, something about JavaScript in browsers. That's the next job to do. Learning objectives, yes. So far, use JavaScript for implementing the server-side functionality. Okay, makes sense. I get it. JavaScript was originally developed for adding dynamic functionality to the browser. It's meaningful to visit JavaScript on the client. Okay. We briefly look into using vanilla JavaScript. JavaScript with no libraries. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. How will I do anything without libraries? How am I supposed to live without my libraries? You can't do this. Create interactive client-side function. Although I guess it'll be good for learning some how to do some magical stuff for browsers. Interactive script on the browser. In the browser, you mean? Okay, use JavaScript browser. Okay, so it's not on. So we only take a service level. Look, almost like I put it on one of my hairs apparently. Grab one of my hairs, my leg hair, and it pulled on it and it's snapped it, I think. Not that all is Morgan Chrome browser. Backward backward compatibility. Yeah, that's a huge problem. And I'll never do it. JavaScript code can be embedded to HTML pages either within HTML using a script element. Oh yeah, I remember that. The content is a code. Load from. Okay, script in HTML equals. Okay, that's an interesting thingy. What's the JavaScript loaded from script file? Okay, in this case, we're doing send say JavaScript file when there's a browser makes a get the request to path set the code.js. Code.js, okay. Let me see the script. Okay, good. It is processed as encountered. Browser will immediately execute JavaScript. Okay, gotcha. So how are we supposed to test this? How do we test our code? Which the following options which describe what happens when JavaScript code is added to a HTML document that is sent to the browser. The browser sees a script element in the browser in the response from the server while processing the HTML page. The browser will cache the JavaScript code in the script element for later execution. I think you said the opposite of that. When the server sees a script element in a page that it is sending to the browser, the server will execute JavaScript in that element, injecting the process response to the page. Why don't they cache? I don't know. Is it? Please. Is it? Is it injecting? Nope. Then it's the other one. It encounters it in the HTML page when the browser sees a script in the response from the server while processing the HTML page. The browser will execute the JavaScript code in the script. Gotcha. Kinda. Not really. But I'm gonna say I did. Just because. Consider the following. No. How am I supposed to test this and any of this out? Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. I have an idea. I have a bit of an idea. Where's my idea? Where's my idea going? Hello. No. Stop. Where to go? Static fine, whatever. The file. Let's just create a test.html. I believe that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, can I whatever. No way, copy path. Actually, where are we? Next script. Just go then. Cool, open it. If we open it, this should map a page. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, it's this. No, don't go to Facebook. Why is that even a possibility? Nobody goes to Facebook. I mean, some people do, I suppose, but not me. Okay, what did you do? What happened? I can't. You're in the way. You're in the way. I'm in the way. Everybody's in the way. Okay, Doctor HTML language, English, and title. Okay, this title. Сюжет, yeah, character setting. So the husband ID title is title. Okay, document query selector title in HTML equals hello world. Okay, got you. Ah, shit, what? In a HTML. That didn't do my thing. It just kept the my epic page. Interesting. Odd. Why is it just style? No. No, I don't think any of those happened. Well, at least not for me. Wait, oh wait, that's the title. I see. Wait, well, no, the title. Well, it really depends on what we're talking about. The title is just title. Yep. Oh, that's correct. I'm pretty sure it's because we messed around with the title. So if we do title, name this title, then no. Never mind. Okay. Don't do shit. Oh, it's just the sound. It is a sound. Okay, I see. Okay, consider the following. What is it? Document type. I don't want to start it. Let me slap it in here. Okay. Bam 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 bam. It's the exact same. You piece of shit. And we were supposed to fetch the newest question. Get the new question. Well, now that my thingy happens. Now the thing that we expect happens. Say it's hello world. Nope. Hello world. Yeah, pretty much. The browser reads the processes and processes the document. During the processing, the JavaScript code is executed and the title is set to hello world. Exactly. Once the processing is done, the page is shown to the user. We are moving on. What's this? Wait, what? If we would move the code above the title as shown in the example below, the title would not be changed. Ooh. So the script code comes later, it won't do its job. Okay. Cannot set property inner HTML off null, so it doesn't know it exists until it exists. Browser console. What the? The browser console is a key tool when building web applications. Console is a key tool that have client-side functionality in Chrome. So in Chrome, you can open the console and by clicking the menu icon on the right upper hand corner of the browser, selecting more tools and then selecting developer tools. Basically, it's talking about this tool system. This tool system. Ooh, I wanna read that. Wow. Basically. I do wonder about what the hell React is then. What the hell does React do in all of this? Well, I can learn it later, if ever. There is shown in the console indicates that the object set was not found. In practice, as the process HTML document, it creates a document object DOM. Document object DOM. DOM. Dominatrix. I see. Dominant. From the page, okay, when selecting the content using the query selector function shown above, JavaScript looks for elements from the DOM. If the element that is being looked for is not yet in the DOM, it cannot be found. Very well, makes sense, I guess. I'm guessing DOM functions as kind of the middleman for the code that translates it so that it's a proper, so that the code, code quote unquote, works in the browser. Or the markup language works in the, wait, is it markup or markdown language? Who knows? Wait, hyper markup language? HTML is something HT markup language, right? I mean, I would check it. There's one Google search away. Hypertext markup language. Yeah, there we go. We uploaded JavaScript files. We're going to add an attribute defer to the script element. Using the attribute defer allows running the code in the JavaScript file after the DOM has been created. Cool. Why? I mean, I can guess why we would want to use that. You know, it allows us to put the script element wherever the fuck we want. This means that when they're using the defer attribute, we're going to include our JavaScript codes that immediately access the DOM to the header. Oh, I can't believe it. Cool. 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 The defer attribute is about boundaries and browsers. So screw your browser if it doesn't have it. It is. In the can I use service. We observe that it was quite necessary that is just JavaScript is adding JavaScript files to the header and using the defer attribute. Ooh, fancy. I mean, if I put a bunch of JavaScript code into a file, or well, I mean, yeah, a bunch of JavaScript stuff into a file and then defer and use it in the website, then I don't need to write a bunch of these script thingies here. Smart. Hello, JavaScript. The assignment template comes with an okay, maybe we start by copying. Copy pasting. Did you know copy pasting is a way of the universe? Anybody who doesn't copy paste is living the wrong type of life. You should always copy paste. If you're not copy pasting, what are you doing? Okay, renders the file. I got you. Static middleware. Oh god, I'm gonna have to error middleware. Render is doing rendering. Serve static files. Okay. Where's my middlewares? Oh, it's right there. Look at that. I see my boy. I see my boy. My boy ball. My boy. Boy. Why can't I copy paste? So we want this static server and the static title. That's the database. Then G-sheet. Where's this tree? This still fucked in the head. What's with your brain? And cache. I don't care. Parents never use. What are you talking about? Insanity. Okay. Oh yeah, where are we going? Static. Where is static? Who has static? Oh, there's the static. I'm gonna have to make a new file. Code.gist. I've slapped that in there. Selector. Wait, actually, only the smartest of my people, which is me, will actually first test that shit. What happens? Not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. The gist of the app. Index ETA, right? I don't wait. Do you happen to have the index ETA? Oh yes, you do. You do indeed. You do indeed. Indeed. I was confused for a second there because I did not expect you to shit all over my plants. Yeah, did it work? Yeah, welcome to my awesome base, thanks. Thank you. Press the command here. Thingy. Oh, I can just put in the index in here. That ETA works perfectly fine as a HTML creator. File type, I mean. Thingy. Handler. Ooh, I like handler. What was the job over here? Says that the application heading H1 title. Event title text is set to hello JavaScript by the JavaScript. Okay. Is this hello JavaScript? Okay, cool. Gotcha. What about all of the run the control the menu assignment view on cocaine? That was simple. That was very simple. Oh, don't. I swear, if anyone asks for help on this question, I'm gonna questioning the mental capabilities. No, if you would just finish. Oh, there it goes. Well, I don't want to see the model example. I already know how it goes. Sure. Where's the John coming from? Switching contents. Ooh. Do I only need to mess with the... Okay, that's what I expect it to be. So like code. Okay. Get a heading, title, and text paragraph. Modify the application so that on the page load, the text in the title is switched with the text in the paragraph. Modify only the JavaScript code in code.js. Title in HTML equals Okay. I have an idea. I think my brain is calculating 200 billion moves ahead. If I take the no. Ah, shit. Where's my... Oh, wait. Wait. The P. I want the P. The P. My P. I want to use the P. And it's the P. Can I find the P? Can I find the P? Does it work? Is it theoretical? I'm so genius. Look at my genius brain. It overflows with the genius. I cannot believe it. Ah, crap. Whatever. Let title equal title equal Wait, there has to be a better way to do this, right? P on the carpet. Wow. Guys, never reassign. Fine. It will be a consent. I'm curious as to what the actual official solution would be. This works just as well. But I feel like it's a bit more steps than I want. Well, no, it's literally use the same idea. You shit lord. Yours. Take me. No, wait. Yeah. Hehe. Yeah. Querying. I'm modifying DOM. The command document query selector query we used previously is part of selectors API. Ooh. The double tree. There's a bunch of them. Examples of them. Do I have a list of them? Why don't you have a list of them? I can't believe you don't have the list of them. Yeah, this is kind of sad. There's no list. Which is used for querying DOM. The syntax for retrieving individual elements is okay. Query selector all. Where query is the query used for identifying elements. The query hashtag is used to identify elements with a unique ID, while dot is used to identify elements with a specific class attribute. I remember that. Temper Monkey uses this basic JavaScript. It's used to identify element tags are entered if we wish to identify elements with a specific tag. Following example demonstrates the use of all of these. The base contains elements, the queries. Okay, fine. I'm probably gonna make use of it. Oh. Wow. Okay, wait. It might be for it. So we have title. We have the H1 ID. The ID. Wait, no title. H1 A P P class. Then we join that and slap it in the code.js. Come here. Okay, console log document query selector of title. Find the title. Okay, document query selector. All the class 1, so class 1 for each element. Console log element inner HTML. Makes sense. Query selector all is for each element href and element inner HTML. Okay, I can see where this is going. So, explodies. Okay, I don't. Oh. Huh. You know? That's not what you want. It doesn't quite do it. What's that? What is that? Oh, right. I remember that guy. Output? Maybe? Problems? Problems. Trembles. Did not record any output. Let's run at 726th. Get nothing. This is wrong stuff. God damn it. Why did no update? What if I save that? Okay. Wow. It's supposed to console log, but it doesn't want to do the logs. What are you doing? Yeah, it's really lagging. I don't know why. So unusual. It doesn't matter. It still finds them all. That's the point. That's the point. That's the point. Creating and adding elements is straightforward. We can create element. Use the call document.createElement tag. Ooh. I see. The tag is the tag of the element that we are creating. Apply. Text content or text nodes are created using the call document.createText node. Wait, document.createText node content. It actually picked up on the microphone. Interesting that you wanted to do it that time, but not the one time that I meant to do it intentionally, which was actually just now, which is this. So 1 out of 2. You've succeeded 1 out of 2 times. You have a 50% success rate. Amazing. Append child. Any new elements to an existing element is done using the append child function. Element to the body. To the body. Can I just ignore that? What the fuck happened there? Or anyway. Yeah, I must be losing it. Slowly but surely. I'm gonna just go play with my code to JS. But maybe I can play with the JS. Create an element P with a text node. Text node of hello world. Element that append child text. So wait, the text node is just existing in the universe. And then what it is, what is it? Appended to something or put somewhere? Element that append a child. Document query body append child element. Alright. So we'll look at this. Oh my goodness. Could we have a What if I documented query selector all? How does all? Wait, I forgot how all worked already. All of those with the of the class 1 that for each it has to be for each element as we know them shit element we get the push them and have each fuck I'm not in the box element dot append child of the text. I never shall see how this works. Unable to format me. Oh, it's supposed to be in quotes. No, I was unable to format your ass. Aw. 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 It only puts it on the one of them. Only one of them gets the child. But why? Could I do inner HTML dot append child? Could you do that? Is it legal? Nah. Sure as shit wasn't. When child of the text. Why did it solve that log? Why can't I see my element? Why can't I see my element? I'd like to see my element. That's an unfortunate reality because it doesn't want to make you want to look at the shit. Could I curl localhost 707? I mean, I can curl it, but it doesn't do anything of interest. Wait, what do you mean? It does it only after. Huh. They are class 1, but only one of them appends it. You can't append to multiple, you can only append to one. Add paragraph to body. Comes with a rum. I don't think I need to rest. Actually, what if I do that? So smart. Okay, I'm just gonna yoink whatever that is. Okay, let's just go to Code.js again. Stretch. Water. So, what was I doing? Query selector? No. I was it? Yes, I was actually. So what is it? Adding paragraph? Okay. Modifies it. So that on page load a new text perfect that contains text which is added is added to the end of the body. Is added to the end of the body. But if only is a script, not control up. So we just do, well actually. I was just added. Oh, can you believe? I was just added. Can you believe this element that plain child of the text kind which just added? Can you believe it? Cool. 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 It works. I mean, it's simple enough. Simple stuff. I wonder if this sometimes the model solution changes its rules. Did it do anything unique? No. Any paragraph to a container. Interesting. Look at it. Everything's the same. I was just added into a container. Is added to the end of the div element that is identified with the ID. Oh wait, those change. Oops. Oops. Maybe if I just hajong, better added to the div. No, you just went to container. Is it the hashtag container? Is the hashtag container? No idea. There. I was just added into a container. God damn it, guys, stop, everybody, chill out. I gotta actually check it. The div, I was just added to a container. Beautiful. Beautiful. It worked, right? Yes, it did. It did work, and it's the same idea as I had. I'm a genius. It was too much. Wait, is this the next one? Yeah, this is the last one. Next one, last one. Who knows? Words. Use word, speak word. Word, speak language. Language is language. Speak language. Language, speak language. Language. Sandwich. There's a okay, JavaScript file contains an array of strings. I get it. Is that it? Modify the JavaScript code so that on page load each string in the array of strings is added as a list element to the unordered list UL that is identified with the ID list. Modify only the okay, I'm sure some more. I got it. I already got it. I already know how to do this. Well, you know, sometimes you just gotta gotta god damn it, where is it? I can't remember the syntax. Okay, create text node. Wait, do I? Yeah, I need it. Or string set for each s. So create the s, the node, the text node. S equals create hash access a b c d d. Oh. Document that query selector. Okay, well, you didn't want to do that, huh? It's the hashtag list append. Wait, huh? Yeah, you can do the append child of the s. Right? I can do that. Correct? Correct. I believe in me. Shit. In a moment. Hello world, this is nice. You didn't exactly do that. When did you do? Do you? I guess this is too fast. I'm not sure what the hell that did. Oh, wait. I get it. What the fuck is... I don't know what this OBS was whining about. But yeah, this is not the... not what I wanted. How do I take multiple at once? It doesn't really say how we would do that. Maybe ChatGPT has the idea. I mean, I could make a class, but I don't know. Query selector. How to select element with ID list. Okay, how to... Okay, let me just screw this. Selector, how to select URL ID equals list list and then append to the first. How to maybe if I ask how to append to the list. I mean, I could just take the list element, but it sounds a bit stupid. Oh crap, what did I do? No, I can't read. You keep writing. Okay, that's good enough for me. Const list lm equals document that query selector List. No, come on. Okay, well, cool. List. And child. Can I just append? No, that's not a good idea. Damn it. Do I need to do doubles? Document. Get create element. Element list. So create an element list element thingy. No, fuck. List. Oh. Nah, this is getting weird. I get that it would work, but there seems a lot of effort. Element ID list lem which document did create man. I really want to see what the actual answer for this is supposed to be. Really? Okay, was you? Jesus. Okay, we can just append the child to that. We have to do the list lem dot text content equal. Wait, what? I'm curious about them. Create text node. That's an interesting point. I have to append the child then. Ah, come on. Let me type. Jesus Christ, I can't believe it. It's all so slow. The virtual machine is especially broken today. No, I see that's a problem. Goddamn temp window was open for some reason. No, okay. I think we are not supposed to use this methodology for it. I mean, we're kind of supposed to use it, but not exactly. S equals document dot create. Oh god. Technically, I think we're supposed to do text node s with the as type. The list lm dot append child of the as type. Append last lm. Could we just ignore that part? And this would theoretically work if I could just not screw it up. Okay. Okay. Event child, no. List, okay. Get it kind of stupid. Yeah, fine. Let me just make a const temp s. Temp s. Will this do it? No, it doesn't do it. At least not correctly, that's for sure. There's no way to console log this either for some reason. Is it? I have a theory. I don't think it's because of it, but I don't know. But because I don't know and I can't prove it unless I test it, I can't believe in anything. System is ready, database is up, schema is done. Okay. It doesn't do any kind of console logs. Are you sure it does it do them here? Oh, it does them here. That would explain it. I'm so stupid. This is nice, except it isn't. Shit. Why is it sucks garbage? It's too fast. Am I insane? Nope, I'm not insane. Okay, zoom back in. Okay, so it's not that... It didn't work this way for some reason. No, what the fuck did I... Oh crap, did I do that? Why did I do that? That was not part of the plan. Okay, crap. Firefox, stop behaving like a dumbass. I don't know if there's Chrome in here. There's no Chrome. Crap. So I can't even test it. I think it's working too fast. Yeah, fine. What if we just go back to the original super dumbass idea? Okay. Let me just look at that. What was it? God fucking damn it, stop this behavior. Get out of the way, you're in the way, you're super in the way. The text content equals s. Equals the s, and then we just append the child. List, I mean, it didn't really matter. Do we need that? I mean, I'm pretty sure, but just load this. I think I have an idea. Query selectory? Selectory? Argument 1 is not an object. You're not an object. Shh, silence. Eight and 6, whatever. Okay, I think I have an idea. Let me just do list lmid. Append the child. Child of s. Oh wait, I'm a dumbass. List lem. Pretty sure this might work. That's a problem. This what is it? Create the element of list. This is now equal to document.create text node of the s from the s and y text node dot element dot append child. You append the child of s, and then you append the child of the child tell element. Okay. Lower. This is nice. Is it just too fast? I think it's too fast. It doesn't. The brain doesn't compute. Doesn't compute itself. There's not really much I can do here, I think. I'm not sure No, I didn't screw this up. List but if I'm not wrong, the inspector is drunk on its power. Well, where is it? I despise your existence. Yep, pretty much. You slapped the whole thing in there. Why doesn't it want to do the query correctly? Either the Firefox I'm using is out of brains, or it might just be on other drugs. Where's the query selectors? When did... Okay, let's go up. All for each else. Alright. It doesn't do what I want it to do. Oh. Ugh. Can we just do it? Fine. Whatever. Const double asses. Can it be? I wonder. I don't think it's gonna be. Hello. Usuario? Interesting. Why did it not want to do it? Double explosion, huh? What happened now? You know, what if I just take a... Rest will not appear. That's a lie. You lied to me. Wait, why did I make a concept? It's supposed to be a left. Oh, why did you do that? Okay. What do you mean? It's never reassigned. Of course it's reassigned, you peeps. Has always reassigned. This is good, yeah. It's a good name. It's a good name for now. Should test. You know, what if it's just Firefox? What if just Firefox doesn't wanna do its job? That's my theory, and I shall go with it. I shall run with it. Okay, apparently it is. It was accepted. Why didn't it work? You know, I don't want to figure out how to install Chrome right now. Yeah, for each. Yes, my idea. Yeah. Nah. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. What if I? What if? Does the original work? Oh, the actual choice works. Why didn't mine work? This is suspicious. What if I slap this over here? Did something else break it? Nope. Mine just didn't work. Huh. Oh well, I'm stealing that. Although I didn't need it. I don't need it no more. Wow. Oh, it's upside down. Events. Oh god, what are events? I remember events. I don't like them. HTML elements can be reassigned. Event attributes. They refer to JavaScript code that is executed when a particular event has been triggered. I remember these somewhat. One can listen for, okay. On click. All right, that's why I remember them. Just used to click events and on key up. On change this. Alright. What do we find? What do we find here? The following example shows a page that has a button and a paragraph, okay. There's click, increment count, increment. I'm gonna join it. I'm gonna see this in action. Search static count, ID count, 0, increment, wait. Input type equals button, on click equals increment count function, and then if we just join whatever that is, I'll reach the increment count. Oh, wait, it didn't. Are you sure it's not working? I wonder. Oh, there's a button. There's a button. Okay, so this says it's not used. But it is working. Fascinating. Button. There's enough of playing with the button. So I can set those. Interesting. I can mess with those. Most peculiar. Events can be used for performing a wide variety of tasks. Over the tasks. Usability. Ooh. Validating inputs. Huh? Ooh, fascinating. I want to see this. I must see. So we have to. I want to read properly. Okay, the paragraph, ID validation, the input field must have at least 4 characters, okay. Input type text on key up validate function. ID input text. Input type submit, values and data, okay. ID... Yeah, input button disabled, okay. Then let us yoink it. The other piece of the code. New code. And go read that. Validation message, the input field must have at least 4 characters. What's the point of that one? Okay, validate, input value. Okay, that's a function. The text on key up. Oh, I see it. Checks it every key up. After every letter, I see. Input value equals input text. So it's finding this. It's finding this one. The middle one. And then... Okay, that's the input value. It puts whatever there is. It gets whatever value is in there. Okay, gotcha. If its length is less or is greater or equal to 4, document query selector validation. So it's the... Oh, this validation. Inner HTML equals blank. Document query selector input button disabled equals false. So the input button over here disabled is just set to from true to false. Okay. Query selector, and here it's the other way. Other way around. Disabled equals true. Okay, gotcha. Now to see the practical. I don't think I need this anymore. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. But then if you do that, it comes back. Fascinating, fascinating. Ooh, fixing account. Oh, that's fine. I already have that. I have that. I have that. I need that. Yeah, that's fine. I can do it. I can do it. Slap that there. No, there. What's this? Increment count. Okay, you've clicked this there. Gotcha. So what's the requirements? So that whenever title text is clicked. Title text? Huh? Oh, I get it. It's a span element. What the hell are you talking about? Span element? Ooh, there's a span. What? I don't know what the span element exactly is ever. I never learned that. So if I just look at it. Wow, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. This is very horrible. Span times. And if the idea is incremented by 1, the application doesn't work. Yeah, basically it's not doing what it's supposed to. What's the problem? What account are you messing with? Span ID count. Count all the last one. I have a feeling that you're not even a number. Maybe it needs to be a number. Numberize it. Maybe that'll fix it. Numberized. There it goes. Well, that was simple. Clap. Thank you for the claps. Yes, indeed. Oh. Hmm. We're just spinning. Uh-oh. I say where the problem is. Whoops. Wrong place to copy paste. Okay. Woo. Come on. No, don't do that. Gimme. Give me the next one. Gimme. Okay. Click. Lock. There we go. Jesus. These. Okay, never mind it. Oh, there goes. Goody. I wonder what the model solution did. Huh? Oh, with numbers count. I mean, both work. I take credit for doing better. Adding and removing one. Wait, what? Ooh. Zero code, I see. So what does it want? Let's see. Implement functionality so that when the button with the text plus is clicked, the number in the heading is incremented by 1. What? Can I take a look at this? Oh, I see the bottom. That means a lot of copy pasting, huh? Well, mine is clicked, heading is subtracted by 1. Okay, that's seems like it would be simple enough. And clones. I think it has a decrement count. And then yoink. You need that. But let count. Get the count. Numberize it. Plus 1. Well, actually, this works perfectly fine. I could just do this. And this is minus 1. And these are... Wait, what's the click? Is it on click? How do you write it? How's the on click? Not there. Where is it? Where is it? There? Ooh, okay. No, that's a button. Wait, where? On click. There it is. On click. Wait, it's... No, it's just small letters. Okay, cool. That's convenient. Increment count. Cool. Okay, just copy that. Copy, paste. And then decrement count. And if I'm not wrong, this'll work. Suspicious. Well, oh, that would explain it. Whoops. The parentheses were missing, I see. Ooh, it goes down, up, down, negatives, and positives. Okay, that was conveniently easy. Start the code, slap it there. Copy that, slap it there. Negative is cheating. What do you mean? It works perfectly fine. Perfect. So how did the model solution compare? Holy crap, its version is way drunker. Way too much confusion. Adding to a list, okay. Well, So what does it want? Adding to a list, okay. Comes with an application with a text field, a button, and a list. Are you sure about that? Let's make sure. Let's make sure. Okay, we get a text field. Text field? How does that look? Well, that's the text field. Input type button. List. Oh, there it is. There will be. Okay. Prepare so that when button is pressed, text within the text field is read and added as a list item to the list. When the button is pressed, then it's clear. One value. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take that as literally as it wants, and even empty will be added. Fine, I'll clear it. Yoink. Button is simple enough. It's just add. It's on click add list. Oh, it already has it. So we already saw something similar to this before. I'm gonna close those. What was it? Value. Where were the values? Send value? Did we even use them? Did we even use them ever? What did it say? Hint text input fields have a property value. Okay. I'm gonna make value just text. If I access the text value, that may be useful. But what happens if I do that? What if I empty that? Okay, cool. Oh yeah, it was just before in the last exercise. Wait, I didn't need to do anything with that. Did I? No? Count constructor, no value. Nope. Can I see my previous solution? My solutions make more sense for some reason. Index, there it is. Count in. Okay, gotcha. Oh, I get it. I don't know if the value is actually worth it. Oh, value. Wait, value? They have maybe they have an inner value. Or maybe that's not what it meant. 7. I guess const text equals document.query selector text ID, which it needs to be in quotes, right? dot inner. Wait, is it that value? Maybe it's just that value. I think just do that. What do you mean? What's the problem? Oh, I see. I see a problem. That's the problem. I hope it works. Does it work this way in console while maybe text? Surely it doesn't explode. Can you do anything? Well, the console's not saying anything, so no problems. Oh wait, the console can't say anything. It does, so it does work. Cool. Empty string, cool. That's perfect for me. So, once we got that, we already have the value of it. What did we need to do? Is read and added to the list item. So list item to the list. Okay, the list is that. Because I need to const lem equals. And maybe let's make it list item. List item? No, list item. Document create element list. I think it's fine. List. Maybe I can just do this. List lem dot append child text. If I do that and then take the what is it? Document query selector. I take the list items and then append child of list item. lm oops, quotes. Okay, how about that? Perfect idea. Yeah, possibly fail. I bet one is not an object. Code.js4. Okay, I guess it's not. No text. It's not a create text node. Fine. Wait. Can I just do document dot create text node of the text? No, still not. 5 is not an object. You're not an object. Nobody's an object. Oh wait, I'm stupid. This was the first time that the quotes was not required. Yeah, it does work. Wait, was this even necessary? Let's test without it. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, cool. Wait a minute. Yeah, it didn't work. Cool. So this works, but this works, right? I can all kinds of things. What happens if I add an empty? Empty, and it's empty. Yeah, that was about all I changed. Whee! Aw, why didn't it pass? Oh yeah, I forgot to clear. Document. Wait, can I just take the text element? Text equals. Let's do that. That should be... I didn't do it. Damn it. Fine, I'll do it this way. It's a bit long-winded, but whatever. It's what? Oh yeah, text. Dot value equals blank. It's a blank shot now. If I do that, it'll do what I expect it to. Okay, cool. Exactly what we need. Don't double paste. Whoopsie. That's the wrong button. Whoop. There we are. Now, what's the better way to do this? Probably was. Guess value. Not really. This is the exact idea I had, so it doesn't help. Or a similar, not perfect ideal. And the logic is weirder. Hey. If he has an chorus, C-O-R-S. The way? I know what an API is, but not the core. Cross origin resource sharing. Odd. Querying resources, an API, for example, can be done using fetch API. Okay. Yeah, I remember that. Provides basic functionality for making requests to the server. Yes. In the most simple form, requests are done simply by fetch address. Yes. Function fetch is asynchronous. Yes. When I remember that. Spawns await fetch. Yes. It run on page, the following output appears. Mate/API. I don't think it exists in. Amazing. The response object contains specific details from the response, including the response status and response headers. If the API responds with JSON content, we need to explicitly parse the JSON content from the response. So you need to go through it, I suppose. But sparse? Go through it? Okay, this is done with asynchronous method JSON that is associated with response object in the example below. We make a request to path API and read the response of the JSON document function return. JSON document. Okay. Has been transformed into a JavaScript object. Okay, so JSON document and JavaScript objects are different. Cool, finally. I got the answer to my question. That's been burning in my mind since the believing this is the beginning of this existence. The existence of JSONs. The above examples we've looked in the best use of Fetch API where we have made the get request from that is JSON. Also making fetch, we can make posts. Yeah, I remember that, but I don't really understand that. JSON by specifying method at the body of the request. In the example below, we push the JavaScript object to API. Note that we have transformed the object into a JSON document before sending. Ooh, right. This is done using the stringify function. Then we read the response, assuming that it contains a JSON document, and print the JSON document as a JavaScript object to a console. Okay, good. Data hello again. JavaScript object. Fetch the API method post. Body of the JSON stringify data. JSON await response.json log the JSON. Other parameters can also be added to a request, including header information for my DKLS visit using the fetch API. Oh yeah, I remember this stuff. Retrieving content from own API. Okay, now we have the data that I need, which is where the crap do I post all of this? Or not post, but paste, copy paste it. We are quite origin resource. Oh, we're not even really doing anything with that. Okay, fine, I do not mind. Application router render middleware error middleware serve static files app router show index API magic. Wait, what the hell? Oh yeah, that makes sense. API magic response body magic abracadabra get show index get API magic. Yeah, okay, gotcha. I got that part. I get you what you mean. Static code, just I wish I could ignore this as a. Oh, wait! I didn't know this debate decided to commit non-existence. That has been happening quite a while, probably. Ah, great. Okay. It doesn't seem to affect anything too much, so I don't really mind, I suppose. So what's this? Static defer. Yeah. When you press the button below, magic happens. The button click, retrieve content from API. Divide magic. Magical divs. What's the job here? Endpoint API magic. Okay. In addition, the page shown at the root has a button which, when clicked, invokes. When clicked, invokes JavaScript code that makes a request to the API. Modify the application so that when the button is clicked, the magic attribute in the JSON document retrieved from the API shown in the development identified with the ID magic container. I remember just about zero of what I read. When clicked, invokes. Makes a request to API. Okay, so it makes a request. So it basically calls the retrieve content from API function. Yes. If the button is clicked, the magic attribute in the JSON document retrieved from the API shown in the development identified with the ID magic container. Yet contrary to many yeah. Is it possible to avoid most of my problems in this universe? Static code? No. Index? No. Serve? App.js, that's what I was looking for. Right. Response. Oh, you can just do it without. Fetch the API magic. Console log response. Response at JSON. I'm confused. I wanna see it. I wanna see what happens. I guess it gets it, but it didn't really do much else. Identified with the magic ID. Okay, fine. Document that query selector. Selectory? No, that's non-existent. Just like magic. Magic. Dot append child Wait, response to JSON. Wait. Just wait. It's already logged it. I don't need to do that. Object magic abracadabra. So I should be able to just take the JSON dot magic. I don't think that's how that works. Magic happens. Yeah, I'm pretty sure its problem is with the... It's not what we expect it to be, so we can do document... fine, whatever. Const... I'm just gonna do const magic equals... document that create... oh boy. Create text node. Text node of JSON.magic. Magic. And then we do the magic. Let's do the magic here. And then we log it down. We all good. Abracadabra. 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 What does it want afterward? Down in the div. It doesn't say that it needs to be reset when it happens. So I do not wish to even... I don't wish to mess with it or destroy my grand creation. My creation is so beautiful. I want to see what the model solution did again. Static code. Oh, you can just take the inner HTML and change it to whatever the magic object is. Right. I don't know. I think the more tap and shoulder is a bit more magical. Just saying. That's coping, I know. That's cope, but I know. Cross-origin resource sharing. Services offered by a web server can be accessed practically from anywhere unless explicitly denied. It is possible to create applications that mostly consist of JavaScript code executed on the client. The World Web Server code server code offers APIs that the JavaScript code on the client uses. By default, queries made using JavaScript are limited to current domain. Okay, I'm stopping that. It could be retrieved. Can use to make queries to another domain unless the service is responding. Allowing requests outside the current domain is done using Course Origin Resource Sharing (CORS) or CORS policy. Well, at least I'm calling it course, nobody else is. In practice, the server adds information to the response headers indicating whether cross-origin requests, i.e. requests from other domains, are allowed. If we wish to allow cross-origin requests in our application, perhaps the easiest approach is taking the course library into use. One such library is available at Dino-land course. Yes. In the following example, we have taken the library into use. The library effectively provides a middleware that we can use, and thus cross-origin requests are allowed by the server. I mean, I don't see how what our crap is doing. Oh, course? CRS? But it's not being used. Oh, it is being used. I can show it. Let's just lap it on top of that. Oh, course, it's just used here. I I don't see its purpose. I don't see its purpose quite well. Now when we make a request to the server, we see a header access control allow origin value to use the policy cross origin, I guess police origin cross origin requests. In this case, requests from browsers accessing sites in any domain can be made to the server. Sorry, I'm late. Who? Brian655. Hello. No worries. No worries about lateness or anything. Everything is good. When we make a request to server with a header access control allow origin. Wow. Allow origin? That is usually just. So we can. What? In this case, request from browser accessing. You do make a made to server. I'm a bit confused about that. How many subscribers do you have? I think you can see the number somewhere. Oh, where is it? Let's look at this analytics. I think it was 82. I think it was probably. Once it loads, then we can know for sure. Yeah, it's still 82. Cool. Cool. Block code? What are you doing? Alright. Okay, well, I have one. Well, that's nice. I'll have one subscribe. That's nice. One is better than 0. Wow, web security basics. The 2013 article published. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna take a look at this. Fixing the flaw. Oh my god. There's gonna be a lot of effort, huh? 2013. Wait, 30,000 websites are hacked. That's cool. Finally, the Fug Boom added new episode. Have I heard that name before? Probably. What's comedy shoes? Okay. Yet I know the majority of this already. We can just make all the most insecure browsers we want to. Nobody. Others gonna fix it. Yeah, it's illegal. What do you mean illegal to hack a website? Perfectly legal. Actually, no. I shouldn't say that even as a joke. Injection flaws allow an attacker to inject malicious code to the application. I'll carry your Indian baby. Would fall in the stair. What? Interesting. In the case of injection flaw, the injected code is executed in a context where it should not be executed, such as a database. Right. Or the command prompt of the operating system. Right. Take full control. Ooh. Characterizing? Which one of the following statement characterizes injection flaws? An injection. Imagine saying. Imagine I say words I don't think I should say random words that I know not the meaning of. In injection flows, the malicious user can send code or other data as part of the request. Part of the request, the server code is executed on the server or send data influences. Oh boy, influences the execution of code on the server, which crashes the server and stops it from responding to request. I mean, it can do that, but I'm not sure if that's the main goal. Probably in the future, yeah, they would see it eventually. I mean, that could also happen. I mean, that's closest, I suppose. Application developer did not hope for. Yeah, that was only one question. Wow. One family of injection flows are SQL injection flows. Yes, I remember those. I remember. Execute arbitrary SQL commands on the server. Yes, it messes with the databases. Yes. Or breaks them. One or the other. So I'm gonna take a look. I'm gonna take a look. Comment. Copy paste. And then zoom. Well, not zoom, but expand. SQL, get names, okay. Select from names, do fail. Body, request body, get name from the parameters. That's from the. Oh wait, SQL.unsafe. Where's this unsafe? Oh, you're just doing it. That unsafe. Ooh. SQL has the kind of command. Is it into names, name value? I guess it because it does it no matter what, regardless of what the data is, without validating the data. It is one. It must be a small thing, right? In addition, the command do not do this SQL.unsafe might give something away. What do you mean it might give something away? Bah. Oh, they which silly. Ooh. We can make mistakes even easier on some stuff. Ooh, convenient. Following example demonstrated that a single SQL injection flow can lead to a start by using the API as it should be. Okay, cool. We test whether we can insert multiple names. Oh, that's kind of problematic, huh? So you can just slap. This way you can slap multiple. Although I'm pretty sure what about this? I'm pretty sure this is broken. Maybe. No, unless it's not. This is how it's supposed to be. Interesting. Oh good heaven, I'm about to get out of my room. Excuse me. Splurging is a good time. God damn it. God damn it, dude. Why were you down? Names, wait, what? Bro, you're not my dad. Well, I am indeed not your dad. In fact, I am not. Wait, what was this? Table names? Omitted here, what? Here are the name of database table, Name? Is it a Samsung notification sound? Indeed it is. I don't know why it triggered. I think it broke for some reason. I'm pretty sure it wasn't supposed to do that, but it did it anyways. I don't know how. It usually doesn't do that. Perhaps it is my spaghetti code in another place. In all the database tables. All the names, what? Names. Oh. Do you have friends? Probably not. I'm gonna go with it no. So what does this? Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Name? Okay, I guess that allows multiple things to be added. The name is select table from information schema tables where table schema equals public. Right. Wait, schema? What? I don't know that part. They haven't learned that part. Or memorized that part. Oh, that's so sad. What about I'm your friend? Oh, that's nice, that's nice. But it's not sad. I think. I have fun. So it's all good. Column is worthy. Okay. Well, I can't play, my computer broke. Interesting. Unfortunate. How did it break? Did it just die? Let's put on download all. Oh, I'll see. You can just yoink the code. I see. Oh, those are not nice things. Okay, you can do a bunch of not nice things. Empty database has been cleared. Wow. Insert the code to SQL query. Interesting. Console log hello. As we observe from the example above. Okay. Compromised. Queries as follows. Use parameters, what? What is the unsafe doing? I have no idea. I was gonna watch some videos and I leave the password. I asked my dad, the password he said 1212. I tried the password, but it didn't work. I tried it again, it didn't work. What are you building? What are you building? Currently nothing. I was studying. We were learning JavaScript. how it works in browsers. But now we are learning about web security for some reason. I don't know how we got here, but we did. Fixing the flaw. Oh, I don't want to fix no flaws. Oh, nice. Yeah. What do you want? What for? How do I? God damn it, I gotta download this. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I need that. Come here. Oh, I really should remember. Okay, can I have my web dev? I'm gonna pin that. The security folder? Sure. No. Copy? Actually, just move it. Ah, cool. Well, RIP my computer. Indeed. RIP to the computer that has died. Okay, what? It's okay, I guess copy pasting is the only way to make this work. It shall only work this way. Oh, that's not it. There we go. And I managed to copy that, huh? What happened here? Holy shit, that's a lot. We're fixing a flaw. Curious. There's gonna be a lot of effort to set up. Oh good, I need so much. Copy pasting, copy pasting, copy pasting. Middlewares, that's actually all I need. Yeah. Okay, App.js, what are you doing? Actually, what if I just check out? Actually, if I just take that, it will automatically just throw me here. Cool. Okay, I don't need that anymore. The console is no longer useful. So what's the problem? Injection flaw. The flaw is a specific instance of injection flaws called insecure direct object reference. What do you mean? Yeah, there's no problems. Interesting. Indirect or insecure direct object reference. I see. Where the user can modify the input to gain unauthorized access to the content on the web server. In vanilla Dino, we create an application that responds with a file based on the URL in the request. What the fuck are you talking about? Based on the URL? Huh? Wait, am I? No, I'm wrong place. Wrong thing. I wasn't even reading the correct thing. Red table users. Ah crap, I'm gonna have to restart this whole thing. Users, wait, don't we already have a users? We have a users table. Oh, cool. Wait. Ah crap. Wait, these are the exact same ones. Never mind, we didn't have to change anything, huh? Awesome. Awesome. But a minor problem. With application is follows. There's a minor problem, quote unquote, with the application, however. Malicious users of the application can, for example, change the password for all users, delete the contents of the database, and do the harm. Identify and fix the flaw. Shit. I did not listen to anything that was being said to me. The register and this one have no problems. Therefore, the problem must lie within this one. So what did you mean by? Can, for example, change the password and do the stuff. Okay, great. So registration, post-registration. Get. Verification. What do you mean, verification? Registration? Oh, verification. Select all from user email equals email if email already received. I think that kind of protects it already, kind of. I mean, we may not have some protections in place, but I think it's with the posts. Request get the parameters. Unsafe. Well, why would you use unsafe? Are you just insane? Are you insane, perhaps? Oh crap, actually I don't want to do that. I only like to use SQL. Who decided this named SQL? Select from user. Wait, is that really the difference? I don't get it. But compromise the basic approach that we have taken so far to prevent this is the use of query parameters through Postgres. Running queries as follows. Plus. What are the plus emails? I don't get it. Where email equals just use the email. Wow. If rows equals 401, return. Length equals where from user where if that. Why did I need to put in so much effort? Well, I don't really. Do we have other? We have other SQLs. These are fine. It's really only the unsafe option currently that messes with us. Oh, it shouldn't. I haven't seen that for a while. It do exist still, huh? Help me. Here's your order of the here's your order of the grimace shake. Hey, wait a minute. Help me. Well, you might be on your own. You might be dead very soon. Unfortunately. Why didn't I just copy that part? Genius. Yeah, did that. I need medic. Died. Well, it was a sad day, but we'll all move on. The Grimace Shake has taken another life. Claimed another life. Sweet. That copy pasted in so nicely. How do I compress? Yes. Yeah. Hopefully this works. Fix a flaw. There's your flaw fixing. How much? Oh. Can it authenticate with correct credentials? Ooh. What do you mean? Oh, there's two problems I see. Where's my station? I'm not sure what this is talking about. I will need the authentication chapter. Let's go there. Yeah, forgetting how state sessions work. Authorization, yes. Oh, I see. So basically. But wait. If password is incorrect, then it fails. That set user ID user object ID. Do we have any users? Can you select all from a users? 0 rows crap. J and then cool. You could have gotten me the login page, but okay. Ooh, that's hot. That's not what you want. Syntax error. Add only select from users. What the crap happened? Is it here? Wait a minute. Oh. I'm pretty sure that's a problem. So it wasn't a double problem, this was just me being a dumbass. Cool. Let's resend. Still? What do you mean? Or near a place. Ooh, wait, what's there? Come over there. Who put that there? It wasn't me. Or was... Now they can... Ooh. Now we're authenticated. Cool. Great. Wait a minute. Actually, I can just copy. Copy. Edit. Where is it? The what? Where was I? Where is it? Brain, come back. There we go. Excellent. Oops. Come on. No. This way. Bridge and a floor fix. Get the zip. And the file. Wrong place. This place. Okay. Surely this all shall work. Ooh, we did. Oh, we can create a floor next. Interesting. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, pretty much. You're creating a floor. Well, I think it's exactly what I think it's gonna be. Oh, come on. Do I have to? This is so much more effort than I wish for. Can I just collapse that? Show login? No. Get. I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy. Besides, it's been well over 2 hours. And I need to eat. So I'll go eat. Bye bye. If you were here, bye bye. If you are here, bye bye. If you're future me, then you don't want to be future me. Because I don't know why you would be here. Unless you're testing something.